A 45-year-old man accused of brutally raping a stranger was sent to the state hospital today after being declared mentally unfit for trial. Joseph Navas has a long history of mental illness and drug abuse. He was released from the state hospital before being arrested in the rape case. As KITV4's Daryl Huff explains, Navas was allowed to remain free before the rape, despite many signs indicating he was unstable and dangerous.
In court today, Joseph Navas' unsettling stares and nervous appearance were in line with what 3 experts found: that he is mentally incapable of assisting his defense, that he is still delusional, paranoid, psychotic, spasmodic, and dangerous.
Not fit to proceed.
Back to the state hospital from which he was released 20 months ago, a release that concerned one of the experts who examined him last month. Psychologist Craig Robinson said hospital records show that even when he was considered to be functioning at a level sufficient to support his discharge, he was clearly displaying symptoms of serious psychopathology. He said Navas was describing ghosts that appear and then fly in and get you. But state doctors still recommended Judge Michael Wilson release him. After release, the report said Navas repeatedly fled his halfway house and even scared his social worker, who said she sometimes worried that he might sometimes see her as one of the evil guys he was constantly talking about. The doctor, who is supposed to be his outpatient psychiatrist, said he only saw Navas once, about halfway between his release and his arrest 15 months later, caught literally with his pants off in the restaurant where a worker said he savagely beat and raped her. On that subject, Navas told the doctors he was rich and claimed he wanted to buy the establishment and had no comments considering his maltreatment and rape of the victim. Despite the bizarre thinking, the doctors differed on whether he was legally insane at the time.
In regard to the penal responsibility, it seems that the doctors seem to be all over the place.
Doctors at the state hospital will have 90 days to try and treat Navas to see if he can be made fit for trial, but the experts aren't optimistic. One said that despite years of trying, doctors have never found a combination of drugs that work for him. Paula?